Thokozani, sanibonani. Greetings to all of you. I once taught you guys, I once shared about ukuphahla. Ukuphahla uxabananga nokuthandaza. Whether you are mzalwane or you are not mzalwane, you still phahla. You're acknowledging, you are appeasing, you are acknowledging that you are who you are because of the people that once lived before you, right? We spoke about indawo zokuphahla. We spoke about how. Today I'm going to elaborate on indaba zokuphahla once again. Kunomuntu ohamba nomndawe. Kunomuntu ohamba ne-ancestor abathi umndawe. The ancestor that is troublesome. The ancestor that can bring sickness in the family. The ancestor that can do a lot of havoc in the family if you are disaligned, if you do not align it properly, right? If you were told to Onomndawe or Onomndawe, right? Because you don't know how their people used to phahla. Maunomndawe maunesithunywa so kuthandaza nomndawe wakho uzothandaza uzolandela isithunywa sakho. He or she is going to follow that. So or mawungasazi isibongo sakho, if you don't know your surname, if umlanjwane in brief, what you use, amabele uyaphahla ngamabele uyaphahla ngamabele wodwa, right? Mawungazazi, mawungumlanjwane, mawuhamba nesithunywa, mawuhamba nayo yonke into yokuthandaza, because impepho is not for everybody. Uzoshisa impepho, yet you don't know what you're doing. At the end of the day, you're going to incur problems. Your problems are going to be worse than before because you are trying, okay, you do not ever do that. Uyaphahla ngempuphu, uyaphahla ngamanzi nje wodwa. The healer has to tell you ukuthi uhamba nabobani, wenzani, kwenzakalani nelife yakho, right? Kunesnefu samandawo fonzawe only, right? Sifine nasi uyaphahla futhi ngaso ukuhlanganise konke lokho uphahle, right? Uphahle futhi uthandaze. Ukuphahla nokuthandaza awuxabananga. Ake ngithi awavuthe, ngiyabonga mkhulu. I'm sure le video izoba usizo kuwe wena osalahlekile, wena osesengumzalwane ongazi nalokuthi uphahlwa kanjani. Ngithi amen, awavuthe, ngiyabonga mkhulu.